So in this video, you'll learn how to set up the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to setting up the mobile hotspot is to go ahead and navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to tap on connections, then choose mobile hotspot and tethering. From here, select mobile hotspot, and then at the very first thing when it comes to setting it up is to just enable it. So just tap on the toggle at the top and confirm that you wish to turn it on. Then from here, you can now scroll down and you can see all the details that are needed for your mobile hotspot. So the first thing that you see is a bar here, and it normally tells you how much data is currently being used when you're hotspotting someone. You can scroll even further down and you can see the network name as well as the password and the bandwidth for your mobile hotspot. You can also choose to have auto hotspot enabled or disabled. It's completely up to you. You can choose to use the one-time password feature. You can choose to create a QR code so that someone can use to connect to your mobile hotspot. If you want to change, say for example, the network name and password, you can tap on any of those options and enter in the new name and password that you'll prefer to use. Once you've finished entering them in, you want to remember to tap on save to apply the changes. If you want to change the bandwidth, it's the same thing. You can just tap on it and choose which one you'd prefer. You would either want it compatible, in the middle, or at its best performance. Remember, with each change you make, you do need to tap on save so that the changes are applied to your mobile hotspot. And so that is how you can set up the mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.